This is one of my favorite recipes, chocolate-coated mochi truffles. They're super easy to make, but I swear they will be one of the best truffles you ever had. Let's get started! Let's get the mochi going by cooking glutinous rice flour, sugar and water. Keep the heat at medium-low and stir until the rice flour gets super sticky and stretchy and looks like this. Now dust your worktop with starch and transfer the mochi mix onto it. With your hands well dusted in starch, pinch off a bit of mochi and shape it into a ball. Now drop the ball into a bowl of melted dark chocolate. You can melt it in the microwave or in a bain-marie. Coat the truffle well and let it rest in the fridge on a sheet of baking paper while you work on the others. Once the chocolate is cold and hard, the truffles are ready to go. I hope you'll enjoy these truffles as much as I did. We have more awesome recipes coming out soon, so make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye!